man. What the hell, bro? Stop! Stop! Hey, stop doing that in front of my face. Alright, so we just... Alright, so Simon is kind of being annoying, so we made a new Minecraft server, and we did some building off scene because we don't want you to wait that long, because this house took like very much. Yeah. Like, he have a normal Xbox, I have an Xbox 360. So yeah, we have pretty incoming. It has pretty something common. We change our skins because why not? Simon, we gotta go down, bro. Gotta go down. We need food. We need food even though I have some animals. What are you cooking? Yeah. He didn't post any videos because he accidentally like slipped the grip of his phone. It fall down and he couldn't tap anymore in his phone. So he's buying a new LCD. Alright.
Mr. Timothy!
Yeah. Stop. Stop. What the hell?
Mr. Timothy!
Sorry, I forgot we have a new pet, Mr. Timothy. You scared me. But well, yeah. That is the point. Where the hell is Mr. Timothy? Hey, this is Mr. Timothy. Hey, stop running around, Mr. Timothy. I mean, for now on, we have Mr. Timothy as our pet. Sorry guys. We are having some technical issues. What the hell? The Mr. Timothy, stop that. Alright, let's hire a new Mr. Timothy. Oh, what the hell is this lad? Let's hire a new Mr. Timothy. Simon?
Just cheat.
I swear, bro, you just cheated.
Just
Like,
a second.
you
The
just...
second one of us.
I haven't even...
Sorry.
It's...
Cheating.
We...
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
Just to hire a Timothy.
yeah, we hired a Timothy. And sometimes we also use an anvil for sacrifices of Mr. Timothy.
And a name tag.
Yeah. So that's why we need Mr. Timothy with us, because he's an important pet in this video. We use some stuff for cheating. Simon, what are you doing? Okay. Bye bye. Simon, bro, what the hell are you doing? Yeah, he's trying to make another Timothy. So I'm a drop land, okay? Drop land! Didn't hurt. I'm a giga sad. I'm lagging. Alright. You wanna go mining with me, bro? Never mind, I found a ravine, bro. So help me kill all of them, because I'm scared. Oh my god, I found the rarest item in all.
What?
Okay. But
Oh, let me.
we are Filipino. So we are Asian. That's called different.
I'll send you to heaven.
I'ma just collect some coal, bro. Because we might like run out of coal or something.
Have you sent me like something there?
What?
I need to know. I need to be level 1. I need some XP. Bruh.
Bro, what are you doing? Bruh. Come on. Where's the mining area? Did you patch it?
Nope. Yeah, I heard zombies. Come here, quick.
Huh? Did you die?
Nope.
Bro.
Saw some coal.
Ay,
Ah, we stop.
mine core.
Wait. Okay, let's go. And
Why do we have a full ravine of all coal? I mean, at least we have
they're
some.
getting too many. Wow.
Too much coal. We need like. I mean, at least we need it, but like, why so much? Yes.
We didn't have any. Wait. Never mind. Oh, I'm gonna try it. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. I'm gonna go strip mining, bro. The hell? Dog, you're making me die. Bro, free me. I'm dead.
Timothy.
What the hell?
Mr. Timothy! Don't go away.
Yeah, you go.
Yes!
Good job, Mr. Timothy. Move into our house, because if you start attacking, we will kill you. Stop spinning around like a Tokyo drift. Oh, sorry. Hey, Mr. Timothy, stop doing that. Mr. Timothy, bad. Bad, Mr. Timothy, bad. Bad, Mr. Timothy.
God,
Oh,
I said
no, 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 he attacked me.
because you attacked him.
I did not. What have you think? I am not. For Daddy's colon. For Daddy's colon. Bye bye.
You felt like a statue standing right at you.
Yeah, what the hell?
Iska, muska. Oh, kuha ka ba ng iron na drink?
Ako di kaya hatag mga kuhan resources.
Just translate our language.
Okay, so the translate was it was his iron. It was my iron over here. Okay, I'll give you some materials. Alright, so here you go. You have dirt, and coal, and cobblestone.
Ah,
At least it's not useless.
I think the damn
Not for Daddy's colon. Bro, what the
inside.
Hey, you wanna go to that ruin type mountain over there?
Where?
Right here. Right
Where?
here. Right here.
Where?
That ruined mountain.
Where?
Here. Look.
Oh, this one.
You wanna go?
No, this one. This one.
No. You mother. No.
You Mother Earth.
Come on, just follow me.
Down eh.
Come on. Die, babe.
Muerto pa dito.
Uh-huh.
Whee!
Hey, this is our first adventure.
Hell no.
Oops. Oh. Gotta go. you still have the one?
Nakuan?
I mean the cobblestone. I guess we can't explore it because we gotta go home.
Look.
Wow, it actually looks pretty beautiful.
Hey, yo, chill.
What? I'm chilling. Honestly,
Need to go to the top.
we might die, so
Spikes.
we'll cut the part of us
Spikes.
going up again because this will be very annoying. So I'm gonna cut this part, okay? Sorry guys, we have some technical issues nga na yung mga there's so many mobs, I guess.
Kira man tang Bisaya eh.
Mo lagi ito fans man sa gikan Philippines, man one is from Spain.
Ambot mo to PH Agay.
What?
Saba, kanon ko na yung
Ay, patay!
Di patyan ko.
Bro really is mad. Oy, dive na
Green
ba?
pa? Wala. Zombie na yung sword.
What the?
Iron sword.
Ay,
Mr. Timothy.
asa siya?
Yikes.
Yikes!
Sleep.
Nisa naman eh. Oy, pagkuhan sa ko tiil, dili mo ni free. I swear.
Iron.
Me iron? Where? Where's me iron? Where's me iron? Oh shit. Ah. Ah. Me iron? Where's me iron? Me iron! Holy bro!
Mami kasil.
I'm getting... Ah! What the...
You dummy boy.
Ah!
Dumb boy.
What the hell is that weird feeling in my back? Ow!
Sheep. Yeah. Iron.
Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Me iron, where's me iron? Me iron!
Me iron ko.
Nagkangitar ako mga fish at iluto. Ngitar ako mga fish na kaluto na to. Hey, salmon! Hi guys, I want to vibe with you. Oh, sorry. Sa ganan ka malakaw? For me, baby. Ay, patay! Uy! Ito, tamang ako na drown. What the? Tamang ako na drown. I guess it's the end for Mr. Kendry.
Progress and the video.
I bet. No fishy. Fishy. Okay, I'll cut this video part real quick. Hello guys, I'm gonna finish the video by making this the end. Bye guys. Happy